Vietnam has just launched a new e-visa portal for everyone who is planning to visit Vietnam in the upcoming days or in the upcoming months. So this has been a great initiative by the government, as the last e-visa portal used to have some technical glitches regarding the issuing date of the visas and also the time in which they used to come on your mail. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the new e-visa portal and also be sharing you with the link, and also will be showing you how you can apply for e-visa on a hassle-free and smoother way than you used to do in the last time. So come on, let's go directly towards the screen, and if you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and do watch the full video to get the most out of it. Come on, let's go. So as you can see it on the screen right now, it says that starting 11th November, international travelers to Vietnam will be able to apply for electronic visas, e-visas, through a new website portal, and this is the particular link, as part of Vietnam's effort to boost tourism. The new portal will operate alongside with the existing website, which was this actually, this was the actual website from where I also had applied for my trip to Vietnam, which currently handles over 15,000 applications daily according to the Ministry of Public Security's Immigration Department. The new website has been upgraded and improved with a frequently asked questions section available in both English and Vietnamese, making it more convenient for foreign visitors, a department representative stated. So this is the link right over here. You just need to take this part and just paste it here, and as you can see, this is the new portal from where you can apply your Vietnam e-visas for your next trip to Vietnam. And right over here you just need to click apply. Let me just first tell you this, that this was actually the same setup which they had almost for the visa process. As you can see, this was the earlier page or the earlier portal, and this is the new one. So you need to click here apply now. It's basic actually. You just need to fill up your application form, complete your payment and receive e-visa online. And there is a note, as you can see, declaration information. Applicants must declare sufficient, accurate and honestly all true informations in English, and these are the things which you need to select actually. By the way, you can read it out here. E-visas only used for entry and exit through border gates listed by the Vietnamese government. So these are basically the rules and regulations that you need to follow if you are applying for the very first time. This is common for people who have already done it earlier, and these are the border gates, as they say. Border gates can be land borders also, or if you're coming by flight, then it will be definitely an airport. So once you are done with this, you just need to click on these things actually. Let me just show you right over here. Yes, and once you are done with the notes, you will be directly going straight to the application form, which I am going to show you in the next screen. So this is the application form. As you can see, portrait photography, passport data image photo. So this is the process in which you need to apply. You just need to choose file and select from the place where you have actually put up your photos of your portrait size photo and also the passport. And basic informations, if you need, you just need to know this as well, that 4x6 cm JPG format less than 4 MB should be the photo of yourself also, and also for the passport page. Just need to keep this in mind when you are uploading. And personal information, you just need to put your first name, last name, date of birth, your sex, male or female, nationality, identity card, it's not needed by the way, email is mandatory, religion, place of birth, and re-enter your mail ID. And these are the basic things. And have you ever used any other passport to enter Vietnam? If you haven't actually, then you will be keeping it just like as it is, no. And you have multiple nationalities, violation of Vietnamese law, so this all will be no section if you have if you don't have anything related to this. So next you need to go to this part actually, requested information, where it states that if you need a single entry visa or multiple entry visa, and This is grant e-visa date valid from the day in which you will be actually going to Vietnam. You will be just needing to put it up right over here. And 2 is the place from where or the day which will be the last day for your Vietnam tour. So keep these things in mind to put up these 2 dates here, and this should be valid dates as well, because according to this you will be getting your e-visa done. And this place is passport information, passport number, issuing place of issue. Type of passport should definitely be ordinary passport for everyone who is going as a tourist. And date of issue, expiry date. Contact information, you just need to put up your full name, current residential address, telephone number. Like you can put it up for your parents and your friends as well. Occupation information, name of the company in which you are working, purpose of entry, intended date of entry, intended length of stay in Vietnam. These are mandatory things that you need to provide. And residential address in Vietnam is the place where you are going to plan your first few days of your stay. So you can put up the address here. If you haven't booked a hotel, then you can go for a dummy booking as well and put up the name of it here. Province and city where you are staying, you can just select it. If you are staying in Hanoi, if you are staying in Halong Bay, all the places are here. You can just click here and select. And district also, you can just search it up from the net also as well. Intended border, gate of entry is the place from where you are going to enter for the very first time in the country, and intended gate of exit is from where you are going to go out from the country on the last day of your trip to Vietnam. Committed to declare temporary residence according to the province of Vietnamese law, you just need to click it here as well. And once these things are done, these are the major things actually. If there is children under 14 years old, you just need to put up the name, sex, birth, date of birth, and some details, basic details. So once you are done with this part, actually you will be directly going straight to the review application form, where you will be actually reviewing all the things which you have put up for your visa, and then you will directly go to the payment option. So while going for the payment option, you need to keep 2 things in mind. First, you need to keep your data e-commerce on your debit and credit card, and also your international usage on. So if you have any of them switched off, then you will definitely get your payment declined, and this can actually be very demotivating if you're trying it for the very first time. So this is a quick tip that you definitely need to know, and it basically takes around 3 to 4 working days time to get your e-visas done, and you will be receiving it on your mail. You can always keep a soft copy in your mobile or your tablets, and also keep a hard copy as well when you are traveling to Vietnam from any of the airports you are going through. So I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions related to anything, do let me know in the comment section below. You can always apply from the last website portal as well, and also from this portal as well. So this is all for the video. I see you all again in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.